Are you ready to take your hosting to the next level? Then you are going to want this silverware set that comes with this Waterdrop storage organizer. I was gifted this 20-piece forged flatware set. It comes in a premium gift box with a gift bag, and this service for 4 is stunning. It is highly polished to a mirror-like finish, and that Waterdrop storage organizer is so unique, and it really allows you to just display it on your table at all times. Look at this flatware. It is gorgeous. Again, it's stainless, so it's going to be really strong and sturdy, and it's going to last you for years, but it is polished so highly, and it just looks amazing. This is the nicest cutlery that I have ever used. It is absolutely incredible. And then when you're finished, all you're going to do is just pop it in your organizer, and then you have it whenever you need it. I think this is such an incredible gift for you, or for the hostess, or the new couple. This would also be great as a housewarming gift, and it just elevates every meal and makes it a special event. Loving this, as I said, all of the links are below. It is dishwasher safe, stainless steel, and it is gorgeous. Definitely check this one out. I am in love.